Welcome to MEXOR Media. Thyroid hormones, easy explanation. Thyroid hormones. There are two principal hormones, 1. Triiodothyronine T3. 2. Thyroxine T4. T3 is 10% responsible for most of tissue actions, T4 is 90% responsible for most of tissue actions. Other one is calcitonin, this hormone secreted by parafollicular cells. It helps to maintain the calcium homeostasis. Iodine metabolism. Dietary intake. Iodine-rich sources are mostly sea fish, milk, and vegetables. Average intake, 500 micrograms per day. Fate of iodine. 80% of iodides absorbed from gastrointestinal tract and removed by thyroid gland. Plasma iodide is nearly 0.15 to 0.3 micrograms. Thyroid gland contains 95% of total iodide content. Thyroid hormones biosynthesis. In thyroid hormones biosynthesis, there are 6 steps. 1. Iodine trapping. 2. Synthesis and secretion of thyroglobulin. 3. Oxidation of iodides. 4. Organification of thyroglobulin. 5. Coupling reaction. 6. Storage. First step is iodine trapping. Uptake of iodide by thyroid gland, by iodine pump or sodium iodine symporter. Thyroid stimulating hormone controls iodide uptake. Anti-thyroid agents like thiocyanate and perchlorate inhibit iodide transport. You can understand the thyroid hormone synthetic process through this picture. Second step is synthesis and secretion of thyroglobulin. Thyroglobulin is a large glycoprotein, synthesized in rough endoplasmic reticulum of thyroid epithelial cells, and then released into lumen. 1 molecule of thyroglobulin contains 140 tyrosine residue, which is a substrate for iodine, for thyroid hormone synthesis. Oxidation of iodides. Once inside gland, iodide is taken into lumen, by transporter named pendrin, then iodide is oxidized to iodine, by enzyme peroxidase. Organification of thyroglobulin. This step emphasized iodination of tyrosine residue. In thyroglobulin molecule, tyrosine is first iodinated at position 3 to form monoiodotyrosine, and then at position 5 to form diiodotyrosine. Fifth step is coupling reaction. 1 molecule of MID and DIT coupled and form triiodothyronine. 2 molecule of DIT coupled to form thyroxine. The final last step is storage of thyroid hormones. Once thyroglobulin is iodinated, it is stored in lumen. Stored thyroid hormones can meet body requirements for 1 to 3 months. They are transported via thyroxine-binding globulins or in free form. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get continuous update.